So should the candidates ask? Let's talk about a bit about the candidate side. How can they recognize a serious recruiter, a headhunter, and how can they filter them? And what should they ask and inform themselves?
So there's two simple ways a candidate can recognize whether there's a serious recruitment consultant or not. Is the way that they generally just engage with them. An easy one is looking on their LinkedIn profile. And what I do is I pride myself on the work that I do, and I get people who I work with
Mhm.
to write recommendations on LinkedIn, because one thing that differentiates me further is my recommendation. So if I have a candidate who's really not interested because they had such a bad experience, I say, look on my LinkedIn. I've sent you a LinkedIn recommendation. Have a look at my recommendations. You can see that I'm who I say I am. I would like to get to know who you are. Another thing for candidates to do is to not close yourself off entirely from agencies. If you have a bad experience, that doesn't mean that the value of a recruitment agency is completely gone. It just means that particular agent or that agency is the wrong one. So a bit like for us networking, speak to as many agencies that you can, if you can. Spend a few minutes of your time outside of working hours. If that recruitment consultant wants to spend 20, 30, 40 minutes of your time during the day and you do not have it and they don't listen to you, they are not serious.